Okay, they say nobody rings a bell at market tops, but the stock market is definitely making a lot of noise right now. Take a look at this chart. It's the S&P 500 on top. It's the Stoxx 600 on bottom. So through August, S&P saw its largest yearly gain since 1997, largest since the dot-com era. S&P has also closed at a record high 54 times in 2021. Similar records in Europe now. Stoxx 600 made a new all-time high every trading day from August 2nd through August 13, right? That's a 10-day win streak, came back to back with a 9-day win streak in June. The only comparable market action came in 1999 when the index advanced for 11 days in a row. So both US and Europe are trading like they did back in the 1990s. Now, there's more to this buying climax. According to Bloomberg, Stoxx 600 has not made a decline of 5% or more in over 150 days. Longest bullish win streak since 2017. The equivalent streak in the S&P is about 200 days. That is double the long-term average. And as we would expect, market analysts have turned wildly bullish now. If you look at the proportion of buy recommendations for firms in the Stoxx 600, it's the highest in a decade. Equivalent percentage in the S&P 500, highest in nearly 2 decades. Finally, investors have jumped headlong into this rally, as we've been discussing for months. Germans have pushed more than 35 billion into equity funds over the first 6 months of 2021. That's the largest collective investment since 2000. It's nearly double the amount invested over the entire year in 2020. So just to sum up, what do we see here? We see a terminal wave structure on both of these charts. We see a buying climax that rivals one of the market's most significant peaks ever. We see analysts surrendering to the rally. We see investors surrendering to the rally. They may not ring a bell, but these are the kinds of clues that point to a major market top.